Mga tol, ano nang plano nyo sa senior high school? Malapit na graduation, no? Anong balak nyong kunin na strand?
Sure. Ako pre, baka YUMS na lang. Hindi ako kagalingan sa math at science.
Alam nyo ba, may nakita akong post sa page ng Bandang National High School. Tingnan nyo, mukhang maganda.
Imagine a world where you can solve real-world problems, create groundbreaking innovation, and shape the future. This is the world of STEM.
We are STEM students. Of course, we are innovative thinkers and curious learners, right?
That's right. And we are STEM students. Of course, we have wide range specialization subjects like general biology and pre-calculus.
From medicine to space exploration, from artificial intelligence to renewable energy.
STEM careers offer endless opportunities for creativity. Isn't that great?
It is indeed great. With STEM, you'll gain not just the knowledge, but also skills to become a leader, an innovator, and a problem solver.
And do you know that whether you're passionate about medicine, computer, science, or anything in between, STEM has a place for you.
With STEM, you can make a difference. You can help solve problems, create new technologies, and make the world a better place.
Right.
Maganda nga sa STEM, hindi ko mag-enjoy tayo. Kasi talaga mag-enjoy tayo dyan.
O, di ba? Maganda sa STEM.
Maging katangkay! It's more fun in STEM!